Here is our printing department. We proceed regular guerrilla printing with 10 to 12 colors on the same product. Each production line would have one supervisor and 2 workers to monitor the whole printing process. Each production line would have one QC station to online check the printing quality. It will have visual check including printing alignment, ink stripping, color tolerance, ink drying degree, and so on. We also have digital printing system to accommodate those small orders which under 5,000 pieces per design. Due to its quick and short production lead time, free of printing cylinders, can print multiple colors on the same product. We now have won many good and high reputations from our customers. This is our lamination department. Normally, each production line would have one supervisor and 2 workers to monitor the whole lamination production, and one QC to online check the lamination quality. It will have visual check, including whether it will have layer separations, bubbles, white dots, wrinkles on the roll films. Before sending the roll films to make the finished bag, we'll have sliding process to cut the extra areas from the roll films. This is our bag making department. We have 5 production lines of making the finished bags. Normally, each production line will have one supervisor and 1 worker to monitor the whole production of the bag making process, and 1 QC to online check the quality of the finished bag. It will have visual check the overall sizes, the thickness, the bottom seal and side seal area sizes. We still have 1 punch and hole machine to make some requested holes on the bag. It can adjust the hole sizes and positions according to customers' request. After finished all the production process, we'll have a 5QC process before packing the goods into the cartons.